Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. This is Stefan. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this Fly More combo case for your DJI Mini 5 Pro. STARTRC was kindly enough to send two products for review, but no money has been exchanged, and also they don't see the video before you guys. They don't have any saying about the video. So the reason I said yes is because I recently bought the Mini 5 Pro, and I think this makes perfect sense, especially for me here living in UK with the weather. I'm gonna give you all the benefits about this case when we go outside. But let's see what is in the box, and let's have a look at this interesting case for your Mini 5 Pro. Looks like we have a strap which is included, which I'm gonna show you. A little bit about the box. As you can see, we have the STARTRC website where you can purchase everything. They do a lot of stuff for drones, for action cameras, which I'm super excited to check for the future as well. The second thing that they sent is a set of ND filters, which I'm very excited to try, because there's something very cool, which again is going to be in the next video. Now let's unbox this interesting case and let's see what is inside. And now let's have a look at the case. As you can see, we have the Mini series logo. This looks like a Mini 5 Pro, as you can see, which I think is very good. Nice touch. I have a bonus for you, so make sure to watch the video. So I'm going to show you what is the bonus. But let's have a look at the case. We have the latches here on the top. I will show you how to open the case properly. Also, we have a pressure valve, which is great. So the case basically it's very safe if you transport your Mini 5 Pro. Let's have a look at the case underneath. We have the STARTRC logo underneath. Nothing on the side. Now, in order to open the case properly, make sure to pull down these two latches here. So you pull down the first one and then you lift. As you can see, you need a little bit of pressure to do that. Same for the left one, pull down and then lift, as you can see. And this is how we open the case. If for some reason doesn't want to open properly, make sure to check the pressure valve here. So this is very nice safety feature in my opinion. So you have to turn this in order to open the case. And now let's open and let's see what we have here. So you'll find a card where explain exactly what you have inside. So you can add pretty much all the accessories of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, we have the batteries, we have the ND filters, we have the hub for the batteries, cables, RC2 controller, and we can also use the RC3 controller. I'll show you how to do that. Let's put the card on the side. We have a strap, which is nice, so if you want to carry the case, you can do that as well. And inside you'll find a custom fit, custom molded for your RC controller and for your batteries, for your Mini 5 Pro. Everything is custom made, which is fantastic in my opinion. Make sure to remove all the padding. There's an extra padding everywhere. For example, if you want to use the RC3 controller, remove only this padding. So now this is perfectly fit for your RC3 controller. The same for the ND filters. There's an extra padding on this side, so make sure to remove everywhere. Let's do that quickly, and then we're gonna attach our accessories. For the hub as well, this is for the hub. There's an extra padding on this side. And for the cables, there's an extra padding here. Let's remove everything. There's an extra padding pretty much everywhere. Make sure to remove that. And I think this is great touch. So when you add the batteries, all the accessories, everything is gonna look very fit inside. As you can see, there's a lot of padding. Now let's add our accessories and let's see how the case will look like with all the accessories. So because we removed all the extra padding, now we can add extra accessories. The only thing left to remove is for the RC2 controller. There's an extra padding here. I'll show you, as you can see. And now we can start to add our accessories. I'm gonna start with the extra propellers. You can put whatever you like here underneath, but I'm gonna put the extra propellers. Now let's add our RC2 controller. So as you can see, everything fits perfectly fine. Let's add the Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, with the protective gimbal, everything is safe. Let's add the Mini 5 Pro battery hub. All the batteries, so we have 3 batteries, as you can see. So how to add the batteries: make sure the batteries are facing this way. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Cable, extra cables, make sure to add all your cables. And there's a lot of room here on this side, so you can add extra stuff if you like. And last but not least, filters, so you can add filters, for example. As you can see, everything fits fantastic. Now let's close the case. In order to close the case, I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure the latch on the top and then pull down. You'll hear a click. You'll see that obviously this is closed now. On this side is the same. Latch goes on the top and then pull down, and everything is locked in now, as you can see. If you wonder what is the weight of the case with all the accessories, it's around 3 kilograms. Without the accessories, the total weight of the case is 2 kilograms. So at least you know, if you're planning to get this case with you. That's why you have the strap included in the box, so makes perfect sense. The STARTRC case also is IP67, which is rated for dust and water submerge up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This is fantastic for me because I live in UK, which is great. Here in UK, rains pretty much all the time. If you take your drone to a very exotic destinations, mountains, sand, beach, snow, this is gonna give you fantastic protection for your DJI Mini 5 Pro. Another cool benefit is that, as you can see, when it's raining, there will be water everywhere, and the case actually can be used as a launch pad, which is fantastic. As you can see, it's exactly the right dimension for launching the drone. You can see, I'll show you right now, which is fantastic, as you can see. So you can use the case, a launch pad, which is lovely. There we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. STARTRC, thank you for sending this product for review. Also stay tuned for the next video, because there will be another video with STARTRC. They sent also a pack set of ND filters for Mini 5 Pro. I know in the more combo you get ND filters in the box, but we have a different type ND filters, which I'm super happy to make a video about. So yeah, link in the descriptions down below for the case. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? STARTRC, thank you for sending these 2 products for review. Any question, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.